Hey there, Christian here, and welcome to RackNerd TV. Now let me ask you, have you just registered a new domain? Or are you looking to connect an existing one to your hosting account? If so, that's awesome because today I'm going to guide you through the process of porting your domain name to your web hosting account using Nameservers. This is one of the essential steps to get your website up and running. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen with you and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so I'm on my screen here. First things first, you need to access your domain registrar's account. This is where you originally purchased or managed your domain name. In our case, we will be using our RackNerd demo account here. So just log in, and once you've logged in, look for an option like Manage Domains or Domain Management. For us, it can be found under the Domains drop-down list and My Domains section here pretty easily. Now locate the domain name you want to point to your hosting and find the option to edit its Nameservers settings. In our case, it is labeled Manage Nameservers. This might be labeled different in your case. If you're confused, make sure to contact support. Now, once you're in the Nameservers management section, you'll see an option to either use the default Nameservers or add custom ones. If you're hosting your domain to the same provider, then you should use the default option. But if you're hosting your domain to another provider, like us here at RackNerd, then choose the other and input the Nameservers that were provided to you by your hosting provider. If you're using RackNerd, your account details along with the Nameservers you were sent via email, or simply log into your account with us and check the email log in your dashboard. If confused, again, feel free to reach out to the support team. Next, copy the Nameservers information provided by your hosting provider. It usually looks something along the lines of ns1.domain.com and ns2.domain.com. Now head back to your domain registrar's website and replace the existing Nameservers with the ones that were provided by your hosting provider. And make sure to save your changes. In our case, we're only using the Nameservers of our platform, so there's no need for that. It is important to note that Nameserver changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. This process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, although it's often much quicker. You can monitor the changes by using dnschecker.org. Simply add your domain in there and submit for a check. Then review if the new records have been reflected. Make sure that all the locations are reflecting all the right records before you move on to the next steps. So once the changes have reflected or propagated, your domain should be pointed to your hosting, as you can see here. And you're free to manage your site with your domain name and access your website using it. And there you have it. By updating your domain's Nameservers, you've successfully pointed your domain name to your website hosting account. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to comment down below or reach out to our support team. If you're a RackNerd customer, we are more than happy to assist each and every one of you guys. Furthermore, thank you guys for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. And remember, if you are looking for reliable web hosting services, be sure to check out RackNerd at racknerd.com. Until next time, happy hosting.